Presenting a pre-owned 2025 Lexus. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable transmission. This Lexus is a steal with less than 3,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include towing package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.